Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I got the filter from my Subaru. You know, this one is the Champ PH2876, and it's the one that I had running on my Subaru. It's ran about, 15-20 minutes with it on there, and then I had problems. But this is the filter. I'm going to open up today, take a look at it, and see what kind of stuff it actually picked up after, well, technically, that rebuild of that motor. Now, could be nothing in here, or there could be something. But we're going to take a look at it, and then we're going to have the microscope take a look at some spots, if we find any spots on this filter. Like, this oil was not too dirty, but it shows that it was a little darker than normal, which is kind of strange. So just going to cut her open and we'll take a good look at it. So as anyone might know, I do like Champ filters. It's one of my go-tos. I like the E-Core. I just like the way they're made. And yes, First Brand owns them, the same ones who own Fram. But two different companies, I know. Some will say, nope, same company. But that's fine. But I do like Champ. It's one of the filters I like to use in the past, and I'll continue to use them in the future. Well, as long as I can get them. So, there we go. The oil's still pretty fresh, eh? So, the inlet holes, very small. I'm trying to pad out the video now because, this could be very short. And the, the drill hole, which is also known as the threaded hole. So, there we go. And let us get a look. My word, this nitrile rubber, or just rubber, anti-drain back belt still feels like new. Isn't that a shocker? Look how fresh that is. Hey, you know what? There is. I gotta get a flashlight. I got one right here. There is crap in there. And I did, this is coming right out of that engine. Subaru engine I put together. So yeah, there was a bunch of crap floating around in there. Stuck in the filter. So that's good. You can see a particle or two here. And yeah, let's see. Keep turning the light off. Stop hitting the button. And well, that's nice. There's no light around where the bypass is, so it should still work. I'm just shocked at how much dirt there was in this motor. I bet there's a lot of dirt in motors. Like, look under here. It's all, man, how dirty was this motor when so there you go. So it is exciting. See, I am finding lots of dirt and stuff. And all around in here. Let's get you on camera here. Who knew? Well, hopefully the filter picked up most of it. So I'm going to cut her open. We'll take a look at her. Oh, it still feels pretty fresh. Well, yeah, I guess it would be. It only ran like 15, 20 minutes, half an hour maybe. Not very long. And that was just to break that engine in, or break the engine. Subaru, So, EJ 2.5, 3, single overhead cam one. So, hopefully, this will show up. We'll see. We'll see. See how nicely built these are? That's why I like using these Champ filters. So, as long as I don't see metal, I think I'll be happy. If it's just dirt that was in the motor when I assembled it, that'll be great. Yeah. Oh, filthy. It's just filthy. Like, wow. There is a lot of dirt in that motor. No wonder they say change the oil quickly after you do a break-in. Yeah, that is probably a good thing. This filter picked up a lot of dirt. Wow. Got some white speck there. Wow. A lot of dirt. Oh, that's a shiny metal piece. Right here. Shiny metal piece. So, not good, but yeah, it could be worse. Could be all full of metal. Well, I'll wait till I cut it up and take a look at her under the microscope. Okay, I am glad I did the break-in. And then I broke the motor because I messed it up. But I did the break-in, and when I put her all back together again, I have to do another kind of like break-in. So yeah, I won't say what I did. It's just, let's just say I messed up something. So I had to, if you watched, you saw me take the intake off again, and there was a mess in there. So yeah, it was a screw up by me. But let me get some of these cut out here and put under the microscope, and we're going to see how well that looks. So there we are looking at that piece of metal. More or less looks like a piece of aluminum. It is very small, remember. And this is it up. Oh, I bumped it. This is it in a bit closer. I'm only at 600 600 times right now. So, you know, it's pretty dinky. So let me look at another piece here. So here we are. I found one more piece of metal, or I think it's possibly metal, or I'm not sure. It seems more white. So it could be just some piece of dirt from a rag or something that got in there. But if you look underneath it and all around there, that is all those dark spots in the oil filter that you've seen. And so nice to see that actually the filter caught all that. That is all dirt mixed with the oil and stuff. So that is pretty interesting in itself. Let me see if I can get another piece that shows it better. So there's a better piece of showing what that is, and that is definitely dirt in the engine. At least that's my guess. Let me adjust it better. So that's your dirt particles all clogged together that were in the oil, and dirt, carbon. I don't think it was carbon. I cleaned that engine out pretty well, but dust that was able to go into the engine as I was rebuilding it. And of course, yeah, this is the kind of stuff that is all through this filter. So I will run it when I get it running again for probably 30 minutes to 45, and take that filter out. Don't know if it'll be a Champ filter. They're pretty cheap, so I like using them. But take that one out, and we'll take another look at the oil filter and see how well it did. This actually shocked me, by the way. This shocked me. So yeah. So now, of course, we have to look at the backside of the filter and make sure nothing got through. And it looks like nothing got through. I took my gloves off. But this, very gritty, very, very dirty. Typical of doing a rebuild, you get lots of dust in there. So hopefully, let's just say the next one will look better. And it looks like the Champ did a great job. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.